The Psychology of Money is a book written by Morgan Housel that explores the psychological and emotional aspects of personal finance. The book is divided into 20 chapters, each of which discusses a different aspect of money and how it affects our lives and our behavior. One of the main themes of the book is the idea that our attitudes and behaviors towards money are shaped by our experiences and our environment, rather than by objective financial principles. Housel argues that our financial decision-making is often driven by irrational biases and emotions, and that this can lead to poor financial outcomes. Another key idea in the book is the concept of opportunity cost, which refers to the potential benefits that we give up when we choose one course of action over another. Housel argues that we often fail to consider the opportunity costs of our financial decisions, which can lead to poor outcomes. The book also covers topics such as the dangers of overconfidence and the importance of humility in financial decision-making, the role of luck in financial success, and the importance of building a financial plan that aligns with our values and goals. Overall, The Psychology of Money is an engaging and thought-provoking exploration of the psychological and emotional aspects of personal finance. It offers valuable insights and practical strategies for anyone looking to improve their financial decision-making and achieve their financial goals.